Hi, this is Merrill, a tax tutor. I'd like to spend a second and talk a little bit about company life insurance. But first, if you find value from this video, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons below. So what is it about life insurance when it comes to a company? When you own a business and either you get life insurance on behalf of the owner of the company or you get a life insurance policy on behalf of your employees, and you would cover your employees' life and the company would be named the beneficiary of that. Well, generally proceeds from life insurance are not taxable. So when somebody collects on a life insurance policy, it's not considered taxable income and they're not taxed on it in generally the way that happens. And since you're not taxed on the proceeds that come from life insurance, the premiums paid for life insurance are not deductible. You can run them through the business can pay for them. It's just that when you get to preparing the tax return, they will not be deductible as a business expense on the return. Now, there is a difference between proceeds that are paid out to an individual and proceeds that are paid out to a company. There was a recent change in tax law where the proceeds that are paid to a company are the taxability of those is let's see. So when the company collects on a life insurance policy, the proceeds of those life insurance policy is not taxable to the extent of the premiums paid. So as an example, let's say you had a $100,000 policy on an employee and you had paid $10,000 in premiums on that policy. Well, when you collect the $100,000 on those proceeds on the death of that employee, the $10,000 that you paid in premiums would be non-taxable, but the additional $90,000 that came through that life insurance would be taxable. So that's the difference there when it comes to a company policy or a policy that's a company has on its employees. Also, when you have life insurance on your employees, when you insure your employees and the company is the beneficiary of that policy, you're required to file Form 8925 with your tax return. It's a very simple form where you just report the number of employees that are covered and the face value of those policies, but it does ask if you have employee consent to have life insurance on those. The issue was that employers were taking out life insurance policies on their employees without them knowing, and then when the employees passed away, the company was collecting those life insurance proceeds, and that made some issues with families, and families didn't like that. So the law was passed to have this Form 8925 filed with tax returns, and then employees would give their consent to enable those companies to have that life insurance on behalf of the employees. So that covers company life insurance. Again, if you like this video and found value, please click the like and subscribe buttons below.